Here's how to create a magic loop. If you begin by holding your yarn between your thumb and two fingers on the underside, and then wrap it over to the top of your fingers, back round underneath again. We're then going to create a cross by crossing over underneath and allow the yarn to sit parallel on top of your fingers. You can then insert the hook under the first loop and grab the second loop, pull that through, and as you do so, gently twist your crochet hook up to the top of your work, making sure the yarn sits on the thickest part of the hook. You can then remove your fingers from inside the loop, and typically at this stage you would then chain one to secure the magic loop. What you should then find is that you have a loop and a tail end, and importantly, when you start working in your pattern, you want to make sure that you're working over the top of the loop and the tail end. And you can make it bigger by pulling on the loop or smaller by pulling on the tail end, which is the magic part of the magic loop.